we went through the syllabus actually, and we found that certain portions which are not cut, actually it's very easy and they can self-study and attend. So we haven't reduced the syllabus. And as you know, IIT, JEE, they have not also reduced the syllabus. These portions which are extra can be read by the students themselves. It's not very tough also. They they need to take a self-coaching or self-study, that's enough for them. Whenever questions are very easy, the process is going to be very tough, and the probability of bright students getting cut off by the randomness is going to be very high. So whenever the syllabus is tough or it's not increased, it is left to the students to study well. So any of the students who are studying, they have been studying from the last, it's not this year alone, they have been preparing for the past 5 years, if not more, right? So I don't think the cut in syllabus will have much effect on the final outcome. And not this year. You see the paper actually. So we have added sections like English and aptitude in addition to the subject matter. Whereas JEE just tests only subjects actually, like physics, maths, chemistry, right? So giving one more attempt this year may not be possible because of the time window we have is very less. So we start our exams after CBSE exam, after the completion of JEE. Hence, it may not be possible for us to accommodate another attempt within this calendar year. Now there is a big hype about the home proctoring or the online proctoring exams. In certain ways, it does actually help the students in this pandemic situation, but from the point for this scale level, it is very difficult. For example, the cutoff is between one and the other will be very, very less actually. So we want to avoid any deviation in the writing pattern or any chance for deviation from the normal behavior. So that is very high if you in the home proctored exams. Even in the exams conducted in the center, you know, there are a lot of technology involved in malpractices. So it's simply the trustability will be very less if we conduct in the home proctor, in homes actually. So we want to avoid. So this will be entirely conducted in the center. This year it is entirely based on VTE actually. In case if due to pandemic, if we are not able to conduct the VTE exams, then we may fall back on that option actually. But right now we don't plan to use that +2 marks or JEE score or even SAT scores. 510 companies, it is ongoing. We haven't finished the process yet. It is ongoing. And as you know, we have crossed like 8,008 offers, 8,008 plus offers, more than 8,000 offers compared. It's the highest in compared to any other institutes actually. And the highest CTC per annum is like 44 lakhs. There are like super dream offers and dream offers like that. So we have around more than 700 plus super dream offers in our institute. And the dream offers is like more than 1,300 plus dream offers, and other normal offers including total offers is like 6,530 so far actually, still counting. Super dream offers is more than 10 lakhs. Okay. And the dream offers is more than 5.5 lakhs actually. So normally we expect for the super dream offers, they expect a CGPA of around 8.5 or more. The usual precautions as the government advises, we follow, like sanitizing the class and wearing masks and following social distance and all, we are following. But again, bringing them physically is going to be a big challenge for us because of the numbers. So as you know, we have around 35,000+ numbers in the campus. So we will be doing it in the phased manner, but we are yet to finalize the details yet. Probably sometime in June, we will be finalizing. After the exams, we will examine what is the condition, the pandemic condition situation in India as well as in our state, and what are the norms advised by different regulatory bodies, and based on that, we will take a decision. Currently, we have only the PhD scholars. As you know, the numbers are very limited. The research output is very important. We don't want to suffer that research output. Only thing, the 2 years they have to study in VIT and 2 years in the abroad. It all depends on, for example, it works on based on the credit transfer. The credit will be transferred from here to there, especially in this pandemic times. Many couldn't go to the abroad, even if they can. So they will look at these options, but this option looks good for them.